Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm HBalloon and welcome back to my series. This is the third episode and we are going to add animation to our game. Let's open the project. Go on the website and open the project. Okay, so that's where we left it. This is the game. We have to avoid the bats. We have 3 lives. Every bat removes us 1 life. And this is pretty much the game. Today we are gonna add animation to make move our player and the enemies. Let's go on Advanced, Animation. Animate my sprite and put it under Set Player Sprite. Select Player Sprite and add frames. Every frame is a movement that our player does when moving. Yeah, I don't know if it's understandable like I said, but yes. Go on Gallery. This is the duck that moves. You see? Press it and every frame is loaded. Thanks Microsoft Arcade. Press done. And we have to say loop, otherwise when the animation finish, the other player is still. So let's go on loop and reduce the interval. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works. Now our duck is like flying, I guess. But we want that flying right is this animation, but flying left is the opposite. So let's do something great. Let's go on controller and grab this one. Put it left. So when the left button is pressed, grab this and put in there. Select player sprite, frames. We select the left ones. I already did it. An interval and loop. And duplicate this and do the same for the right side. So go on right button pressed, player sprite, frames, the right side. Yes. And that's done. Now we have to do the same for the enemies. For the enemies, we are going to use some random generator. So every bat has his own animation towards the right or left randomly. So we need a variable to do that. So let's go on variables, make a variable. We're gonna call it like random enemy animation. Okay. And press the set random enemy animation under the creation of the enemy. Let's go on math, pick random, and we're gonna say how many animation we're going to use. I think we are going to use just 2, right and left. So we had to say pick random from 0 to 1, starting from 0 to 1. So this variable can be only 0 or 1. So let's go on logic, if, else, grab that. What this does is, if the condition in here is true, do this thing, otherwise do that. We have to say that when this variable is 0, we have to do this. When it's 1, we have to do this. So let's grab logic, pick that, and put in here. And here we have to say that the variable is equal to 0. So go on variables, grab the variable random enemy animation and put in there, equals 0. So when it's 0, the enemy is facing like right. So let's go on animation, animate, put in there. My sprite, no, we have to say the enemies, so the projectile in this case. So projectile, select the frame, gallery, and search for the for this one. So let's click done, 200 milliseconds and loop. And we have to do the same but for the left side in the else condition. So let's duplicate that, put in there, and select the facing left. So now we have a player with animation and our enemies too. See, it works. like it's random, so sometimes we'll see butts flying the opposite direction. Maybe in the future we're gonna fix that. And now everything is done and the animation are complete. Okay, good. For today's episode is everything done. The animations works, everything works just fine. In the future we're gonna to add power up, so let's stay tuned. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment too. Bye!